Hello and welcome to the tutorial where I show you how to screen record on any iOS device or Android device. And this works on your phone or your iPad or basically anything where you can install this app called GoRecord. And you can just research screen recorder or free screen recorder and it will probably be one of the first icons to pop up. So all you need to do is install this, and then if you go ahead and double click your home button, the little recording icon will be there and you can toggle the microphone off and on. And this is my favorite screen recorder application or app because you can access it from double clicking the home button, so you don't have to go onto the app to screen record. You can start recording on any app or basically anything. And you can record on any app. You can even go on the internet and still screen record. So I hope that this video helped you out, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.